can leverage AI, Microsoft's AI, which is Copilot, into marketing campaign creation, which normally could take months or weeks to months to do. Now we can do it in a matter of days, really, or even minutes, as I'm about to show you. So the demo context is we have Mona, who's a marketer for Contoso Media. Her leadership team has just asked her, we need to increase retention, and we have this new cooking competition show coming up, and we need some emails created, we need a customer journey created, how are we going to reach them, what are the different audiences, and this could take a whole team. Without AI, this could take a whole team a long time to figure out and to plan and to coordinate, but Mona has customer insights within Dynamics 365, so she is able to do this a lot quicker than what she would normally be able to do. So this is the screen you're greeted with. You can build your project with Copilot. So in this box, you start with your outcome. I have this show that's coming up, I need to do X, Y, Z. That's normally what your leadership team is asking you, that's what you've determined as your goal for the project. You can also, instead of writing right here and interacting with that way, you can create it with a brief. And in this case, we have a brief in it. It's like a 3-page document saying, here's the show, here is our goal, here's some messaging that we have, and our style guide. Here are colors, the types of pictures that we like, and so we're going to upload this file, and once we do that, Copilot is generating this new page that you're about to see. So it's reading the brief, it's understanding, leveraging past data from your campaigns and what you have, so viewers from different audiences shows. You've identified these 2 audiences that you want to target. Copilot's also suggesting a few more audiences that maybe you haven't thought of. So in this case, it's a culinary cooking competition show. It's saying you've kind of missed out on a group of culinary reality show viewers. Maybe that's someone that you can target with this new rerun. That's a good idea, Copilot. I like that. Let me add this segment into here. And with this, it's also recommending that email, because that's the goal, is we're creating these email campaigns. It's also suggesting that there's an upsell journey opportunity here. So it's added this to our project over here. We have different emails, journeys for each audience segment. This is the one we just added based on Copilot's suggestion. Here are the 2 that we recommended. And so we're going to go in and look at our existing subscribers. So this email creation. Let's come up with our project board. We see the customer journey, and Copilot's just created this. I hadn't done anything before that outside of giving my project brief. Now you have your email that Copilot created, and we can see this in full. Copilot created that image, it's created this look and feel, the messaging, but you still have the opportunity to lead it. You're the curator. Copilot has taken the lead on creating it. You can now finalize it. Not too happy with the photo. It's not quite what I wanted. So we can go in and edit. We partner with a company called Typeface to help with some of the AI-generated imagery. So let's try this one. This one looks a little bit better, but it's not competition-esque. We need a little bit more competition in there. So by clicking edit, we can also interact with Copilot and say, change this part of the photo for me. So now we have the competition in the background. A couple more options that we were given down here as well. I like the first one that they gave, so now we're gonna stick with that. Let's take another look at it. All right, the wording is a little bit long. No one has time to read this. So let's rewrite it to be a little bit more concise. Just rewriting the text. All right, we have a couple different options that we can look. You're the reviewer of all of this. What we have saved, Copilot saved me, Mona, user, minutes, or a whole bunch of review cycles with your copy editor. So now we can just do it in a little bit. All right, so we took this second one. It's now shorter. We're happy with this email. Theoretically, we could do this, or we would do this for all of our different projects. Right here are our customer journeys. But now let's go back into the one that we were just editing, and let's finalize it. So We have our email that we're happy with, our customer journey that we want to look at it in a little bit more detail. This was recommended by Copilot. You can add things in that you think are needed or missing based on your previous experience doing these. We need to add a section that has us reach out to legal to approve this or do X, Y, and Z. Okay, so once we're happy with this, we've launched it, we've sent all of our emails, they've been in market for a little bit. Now our leadership is asking, did it work? And you're like, well, let me tell you. So now, with the power of Fabric, we're able to connect the data from customer insights to Power BI. And what we're able to do, picking this Toso media, so that was the customer journey data that we're connecting. Now we're able to take a look at the campaign and how it did. Let's see, return on investment, 1.8 million, responses by campaign. And notice you still have this Copilot experience in the right-hand side that you can continue iterating, asking Copilot questions. What was the impact of this campaign on Gen Y customers? And it's based on the data that you've shared with it. It's able to provide that view so that you can leverage this in the next campaign that you have.